Morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm coming on this morning to show you these altered paper clips. I watched a lady the other night, I think her name's Deborah, I've only just subscribed to her, and her channel name is Attic Lane. Now she's got a lot of subscribers, so you'll probably all know her anyway, but I only stumbled across her the other night, and she'd done some, I think she called them hidden message paper clips or something like that, and I thought, oh, that is so cool, I'm gonna try and make some of those. Hers were bigger than this. I've just done mine from a 6x6 excuse me, 6x6 pad. Hers were longer. I'm not sure how wide they were. Like this one, I haven't put tabs on all of them, but this one's got a little tab on, and then you've just got a little piece of paper in there, and a paper clip in there. And I've just put a piece of paper on the back. I don't think that, no, the lady didn't, she didn't cover hers, but I thought, well, I've got a bit of paper, so I'll just stick that on the back. So there's that one. You've probably all seen these anyway, but I just thought it was a cool idea. There's that one. It's typical, isn't it, that I've got loads and loads and loads and loads and yards of ribbons, and I was struggling to find anything that matched what, you know, to fit what I wanted. There's that one. That one I didn't put a tab on. Oh, that one I got a little piece left, and I just, what did I do? Don't even know what I did. Let's have a look. No, just that in there. But yeah, I thought they was really cute. This one, just cut a round out for that one. I was having a hard time with my circle punch. It just wouldn't work, and I had to, it would make the impression, and then I had to cut it out with scissors. But good old Mr. Doodle, bless him, he took it to pieces for me and he's mended it now. So I've not put a tab on that one either, but that's just got a little piece of paper in. But I think they're well cute. Ooh, a bit of bling there. Where's that come from? Off of one of my... Oh, I can see where it's come from. It's just come from there. That's because I didn't put any extra glue on it, I bet. These self-adhesive things, they're not ever so good, are they? So I thought I would just quickly show you how she did them. I'm not going to ink all the edges or do it properly, but for these ones, I'll leave the link to the lady's channel so you can see how she did hers. I've used a 6x6 piece of paper and then cut it in half so it's 3x3, and then I scored it at 2 inches and 4 inches. You might just have to cut a sliver off the edge to get it to fold, or you might not, I don't know. And then I inked all the edges on those, but I shan't do that now. And then I just used my circle punch. Please work. Just eyeballed it. Yay! Good old Mr. Doodle. And then you want, I think I've got these big paper clips. They're 3 inches long. I had them given me ages ago. And then tie a piece of ribbon in the top. And I think Deborah, I think she did hers so that the short piece was at the back, but I don't know. I just did mine so that the long piece was at the back. I don't know why I did. And for these others, I I think Deborah just used a white glue, but I, because as well, when she glued it in, she sewed. She got her sewing machine, well, you didn't see her with the sewing machine, but she sewed, excuse me, along the edge. And I think she sewed along this top edge, yeah, but just that top edge, because you obviously can't sew it when it's got the paper clip in. But anyway, I've not bothered doing that. So yeah, I used the red line tape, just put a couple of pieces of those over there, but I'm not doing that today because that was giving me a hard time as well. So I'll just stick a bit of that under there. This would be a bodge one. It's a bodge one. This is just Yoo-hoo glue that I've dispensed in. Oh, my strength is getting terrible. I'm going to have struggle squeezing these little bottles now. Just pop that over there. So you'll have more time. I'm just trying to do it quickly, but and that piece of ribbon, it just covers the top of the, not quite got that pulled down. That's it. That's better. Just put a little piece on there, a little little bit. There. Close that, and then I haven't got any paper cut out, but then you would just cut your little piece of paper and slot it in there and put a tab on it if you want to. I did have a piece cut out for this somewhere, and this piece, it's just I think it was 3/4 of an inch I did for that. I thought, oh, I'm going to get glue all on there and end up sticking it, so I just put a piece of wax paper under there. Come on, monkey. I didn't even know whether the bits on the back would stick, but they seem to have done. I'll say, if you go across to Deborah's channel, she does a really good tutorial, and I would have inked that as well, but yeah. And then just put some little flowers or bits of, I think Deborah had used lace across the bottom, and excuse me, there. But I think they're dead cute. So that was all I was coming on for this morning, just to show you those. And isn't it funny, I was thinking, this lady, she's got, I think it's 14 or 15,000 subscribers, and I've never come across her before. I don't know, it just always amazes me. There must be millions and millions of crafty YouTubers, and I don't know, you just don't stumble across them all, do you? So anyway, I'm talking twaddle, so I better go. So thank you to Deborah for the video. It was really great. So I should be watching some more of hers. I think I can't remember what else I watched. I did watch another one, but I've forgotten what it was now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.